Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create full design works start to finish with using Lovart AI. It's not just another AI design tool. Lovart is actually the world's first AI design agent, built to handle full design tasks from start to finish, fast, smart, and completely autonomous. Unlike typical AI generators that stick to one model or static prompts, Lovart can actually sync, remember, and switch between different tools and models to get job done right. With chat, canvas, and even smart editing all in one place. It feels less like using software and more like you're working with a real designer. And today I will create 3 products with Lovart. Let's get started. So guys, first one, let me show official website Lovart AI, and website is very user friendly. For inspiration, we can check all these artworks from other users. There are huge design elements for inspiration, and for example, let's view this product. We can see replay history here, step by step. That's very awesome. So let's create our products, and it's very easy. Just paste here prompt and click enter. And here we go, it's syncing. Let's wait for results. Lovart says, let me think about it. Okay, let's make matching plan. Okay, product image creating by ChatGPT. Okay, very nice. I like this design and background colors and drops here. Very nice. Okay, now I will create an Instagram post showing people enjoying the product. And before next image, we can see actually planes here. Let's open. And we can see next step, click video generation and end. Okay, that's good. Let's wait it. Okay, Instagram post is ready with people. It looks really realistic image. Okay, next image, cocktail street poster. Nice, I like this style. Refresh naturally. And the last one, generating video using Kling. Okay, here we go. Video is ready. Let's click play. Nice, very good. We can see realistic shadows and colors and these hand skins. It's so realistic. Also, I asked to Lovart for create t-shirt and pants with this brand. Okay, here we go. Here is the t-shirt design and pen designs. That's good. This product marketing files is so ready. That's good. And also let me show some tools. For example, we can insert here text, rectangle, ellipse, brush, and pen. Let's click text and write my new product items, sizes, and other settings for text. Also, we can add rectangle. Let's create rectangle like this and move up, ellipse tool, and also brush. Let's write here arrow and here. And also we can add new frame and we can generate new image. And video generator, we can create new video here. We can write prompt here, start end frames, and click generate. And let's one image generator. Again, we can write prompt and generate image. So let's switch to create new product. So guys, for create new product, again we can write here prompt or click here for create new project. Let's click here. Let's write here prompt. I'm gonna create new energy drink product, design inspired by sport and modernity. Also create Instagram post, billboard design, and 3D realistic product animations. Also don't forget to pen, notepad, and t-shirt and pickup track. Okay, all right, and click add prompt. First step, searching inspiration images. So I like this feature. AI asks to select your favorite inspiration image. Okay, I like this image, also this and this. So we can see full image sizes here and this and the last one this. And let's write check images. And next step, summarizing design directions. So again, AI asks to 3 version. Let's choose Turbo Plus. Okay, we have 4 examples and AI asks to choose one logo. I like this style. Okay, here we go. Just wow, I have not any words. Product image, and this is poster image, and this with sportsman. Also this very quality 3D render. And this with products, with notepad, pen, nice, and pickup. Really, I like it. So let's request. Let's ask one video. Please create 3D realistic render video. Okay, that's it. We have 4 video animation. First, let's zoom to here, play video. Very nice. I like it. These particles, fires, and lightings. Very quality. And next animation, let's play. Again, amazing realistic 3D video. It's very good. I like it. Okay. So, nice transition. I like it. This is fully marketing promotion video we can use on Instagram or other platforms, and that's all. Let's create last product DVD cars. Okay guys, let's go to again create new project and go to prompt. Let's paste prompt DVD course disk on animation program and animation techniques. We want social media poster, video presentation animation, website design, business card, logo on t-shirt, in office photos. Okay, let's enter. Okay, also our visit card really nice. I like these colors, dark blue and these character designs. So office image again ready. Let's zoom to see. Nice. Very good. I like it. Okay, very nice. I like this design and this website designs and visit cards, logo and office images. That's good and it works for me. So guys, for final, I recommend you Lovart for using design and other inspiration works. And by the way, who is Lovart for? Whether you are a creator, a designer, a small business owner, or just someone who needs quicks and professional visuals, Lovart is made for you. And here is the best part. Lovart actually launches on July 23. No more waitlists, no more access codes. Everyone can start using it instantly. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.